ngivule i-classroom, ngidlula ngiya kwi-word processing okuyi-program esiyenzayo nesifuna ukwenza i-assignment yayo, final assessment. Nansi end of the course assessment, nangu assessment 1. All right, assessment 1, you will be provided with the following assessment questions. Uzothola lokho okulandelayo, ama-questions akuhlolayo. 2, a number of files to edit as instructed in your questions. Usunikwa ama-files angaphezu kweyodwa okufanele uyiguqule njengoba utsheliwe. 3, rename the folder as your surname and name plus assessment 1. Uzobuswakha ifolder ke yama-files onjani ase-edited. Uzoyibiza ngo-surname and name. If uMdluli Johannes uzothi Mdluli Johannes assessment 1. Ngiyethemba kuyezwakala lokho. Right, mangibheka la zimbili izinto engiyibonayo la ile icon about eMishado Computer Training kuthiwa links. Bathini links for uploading assessments. Kusho ukuthi la le link lena ungena kuyona ngoba usufuna uku-uploada yini i-assessment. Bese kuthi lena ilinki ozoyingena kuyona ukuze udownloade ini lama-files lawo ukuthi uzowanikwa kanye nama-questions. Ake ngiyiklikheke ilinki la yemega sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani. Okay, iya-downloada. Kusho ukuthi into efanele ngiyiqaphele la angibe nendawo la okuzongena khona ama-files anjani engiwadownloadile angakaguqulwa, bese ngiba nendawo lapho engizobe sengifaka khona ama-files aseguquliwe okuwona engizowa-uploada ngiwase kwi-instructor yami ukuthi ingimakele. Ngakho-ke mangibheka la nanka ama-files, i-file lena inani, ama-questions, ama-files mangaka awu-4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Le ilokhuza mangiyibheka le it assessment 1 PDF yama-questions. Lena ihluke ukuthi assessment 1 ithini yona ithi .docs okusho ukuthi i-Microsoft Word. Wonke lama .docs okusho ukuthi i-Microsoft Word. Ake siqale-ke siklikhe yiphi yona le yama-questions. Sengiyayi-double clicka laphana. Mangiyi-double clicka ngilindele ukuthi okay, screen sami laphana angathemba ukuthi ngeke siveze lokhu. All right, ngiyabona ama-questions la. Ama-questions asiwabheke ukuthi athini wona. Your task is to work on documents relating to a garden center. Kusho ukuthi lama-questions lawa amayelana nani nama-documents aqondene nalokho sithi i-garden center. In the test, you are asked to edit an information sheet providing instructions about watering plants. You will be asked to edit the information sheet and apply various formatting actions to it, and to create a simple table. All right, sizwe question 1. Open the word processing application and open the file called assessment.docs from your candidate drive. I-candidate drive kuzobe sekuyini, kuyifolder yakho lapho ufake khona in lama files ngesikhathi wenze njani uqeda ukuwa-download. And uma uyivula le file into assessment 1, hhayi ukuthi uzovese uqonda kuyona ngokuthi wena uvese ungene nje ku-file explorer, but you first open the word application and open the file. Yabo ihlukile-ke le nto le. Lapho engizofike ngivule i-Microsoft Word ebese ngiyongena kwi-file ngokuthi ngingene through i-Microsoft Word e-blank. Ngifike ngenzani kwi-Microsoft Word e-blank? Ngifike ngiklikhe u-file bese ngithi open. Once lapho sengithi open, kusho ukuthi manje sekufaneke ngiyidonse ize iyongena kuphi khona, sengiyisa kwi-folder yami enani eno-assessment 1, ebese ngenze njani? I save the document as Spring Garden.docs to your candidate drive. So now ngithe mangifaka laphana ngase ngiba nama-folder amabili engizoyisa kuthisha, i-learner engidownloadele kuyona. Ngakho mangithi makuthiwa save as, kusho ukuthi yenza ikhophi manje ka-assessment 1. Ngame manje uya kubani? Ku-file bese wenze njani? Uya ku-save as. Mase ufaka uname la kubhala ukuthi assessment 1, awusabhala ukuthi assessment 1, kodwa usubhale new name ukuthi ubani, uSpring Garden. Ngakho-ke kuthisha wakho kuzoya sekuya ubani? uSpring Garden. Usuyivulile-ke manje uSpring Garden ubhekene nawo. What you do, you justify the main body text in page 1. Page 1 from this is a new gardening fact sheet to the spring and summer months. Ngakho-ke watshelwa lapha nosebenza kuma-paragraph ukuthi khona o-justify, nobani, no center, no left align, no right align. Ngakho-ke le paragraph fanele uyi-justify. Bayakutshela ukuthi umsebenzi ozowujustifya uqala la okubhalwe i-sentence ethi this is a new gardening fact. Uqhubeke kuze kuyovala ngobani? Ngo-spring and summer months. Alright, usuya ku-number 3. Remember awubhali ukuthi wena mawuphendula ukuthi usuku-question bani la, usuku-question 1, question 2, akukho la obhala khona lezi zinamba. Wena into oyenzile ibonakala ngombala, okumakelayo yena uzohamba yena aye kuphi? Kwi-alignment eyobheka ukuthi ukwenzile yini. You see that? Select all the text in the document and change the font to Arial. Awubhali ukuthi question 3 la, kodwa wena uzothi mayivula i-document imtshele ukuthi iwu-Arial noma ubani, lokho okubani? Okuwu-font. Number 4, select all the text from this is a new neighboring fact sheet to the spring and summer months. Bakutshela ukuthi yiphi text ozoyiselecta and apply a 6-point spacing after each paragraph. So now la uyahlolwa manje ukuthi uyayazi yini, uyakwazi ukusebenzisa i-group okuthiwa ubani? Uparagraph. Sakhuluma kakhulu laphana ngoparagraph ukuthi uma u-understand ama-paragraph fanele wazi u-alignment, wazi u-indentation, wazi u-line spacing, wazi ama-tabs. Finish, usuyinkakha lapho yani ka-paragraph. So laba bazokuhlola ngobani? Ngokuthi 6-point after. Uma uthanda ungasebenzisa even ama-button akwa-paragraph ngoba nina ninjani senisizukulwane sama-buttons, unama-dialog box. Number 5, underline the title text gardening for amateurs. So now sinesihloko, then you underline it. Uyabona lo. So remember lo msebenzi owunikwe la owakwa-ICDL kuthathwe kuwona ama-questions and it takes 45 minutes. Uma ungaqedile ngo-45 minutes then now sekubheda. Lapha-ke angikalele isikhathi kodwa engikulindele kumuntu ukuthi akathole 100% real. 2 akalimithiwe ngesikhathi, pho inkinga yakhe yini. Now, number 8, edit the text every month in the first paragraph to read every week. Satshelwa lapho ukuthi uma igama uliselector uyakwazi ukutyper phezu kwalo. La uma bethi edit every month in the first paragraph to read, yes. Iqiniso labe ngikusho utsheliwe lapho. Hhayi ukuthi utholakale wena usenze njani. Ungatholakali okay. Number 9. Number 9, apply the Etalred style to the test gardening tips for spring. So la awubhali futhi nakhona to question 9 kodwa usalokhu udile ngedocument eyodwa leyana okuthiwa ubani ugardening obekuthiwa save njengayo. Siyamazi ukuthi ubani ulokhuza ustyle ama-style akuphi. Siwasebenzisa kakhulu ama-style senza ama-references o-heading 1 kulezi zinto lezi ngaphansi kwa-style. Number 10, in the paragraph beginning, over the recent weeks June, start a new paragraph at the beginning June in terrific month. Wenze njani la ku-number 10 ubheka iparagraph uwocinga la kuqala khona ngo-over recent weeks June kuze kuyofika kubani kuyofika la. But what should you do here? Start a new paragraph. Iqala kanjani new paragraph? Uma into ibihlangene then ingake iparagraph kwikhompyutha sekuthiwa for instance angiqale a new paragraph. Ngenze njani la? Yes, ilokho kwenza kuphela abafuna ukukuthola. Number 11, apply the automatic numbering to the paragraphs beginning bed in new water all plants. What are you doing here? Automatic numbering. Yini lokhu? Ama-bullets. Utholakala ngani lokhu? Utholakala kuma-groups. You see that so nje labafuna ukuthola ukuthi do you really understand in ama-tabs kodwa ngaphandle kokuthi wenze njani uze uthole uhamba ucinga lapho ongekho khona uvese uqonde ngqo. Sekuthiwa delete the page break between pages 1 and 2. Lapha-ke ngakhombisa laphana ngesikhathi ngifundisa nge-page break. Sasikhuluma ngo-1 lapho ngo-insert. Ngathi kune-hard break nani ne-soft break. Ake ngithi bengithe kuzoba ne-hard break phakathi kwamapheji amabili angisayidingi. Ngizoyidelete kanjani? Please fanele umuntu akwazi lokho. Create a table with 2 columns and 4 rows below the text special offers this week. Create a table with 2 columns and 4 rows below the text special offers this week. Kukuphi njalo lokho? Kule lokhu uzifile oyivulile. Number 12. Delete the page break between says number 14. insert the following text into the table as shown below. Plant yes i-table leplon lele bekuthiwa lenze lina-2 columns. Number 15, change the width of all the cell borders of the table to 3 points and change the color of the cell borders to a color of your choice. Senzenjani la i-width of all cell borders lokhu masenza amathebuli ukuthi uyishintsha kanjani i-width ne-height. I-width kuya le, i-height, top and bottom. Number 16, ku-32 nje. Copy the formatting of the text gardening tips for spring and apply formatting to the headings in the first row of the table. Copy the formatting of the text. Remember la makuthiwa copy formatting. Mina uma ngenze njani ngenze njani la ngiboldile. Sengifuna mina ukwenze njani ukubolda la. Mathi copy formatting kusho ukuthi mina ngizoza la bese ngenze njani ngitsheliwe lapha ne-copy formatting ukuthi yenziwa kanjani. Uma sengize uma ngidwebele ngenhla ngase ngi-right click-a lapho kuzoba nani ne-button ka-copy formatting ebese ngifike ngiklikha phezu kwalokho okungezansi uvese kwenze njani ulandele leya formatting engenhla. Ungatholi-ke lapho ukuthi wena wenze njani uzama ukuthi wena kwenze njani lokhuyana uvese ungene direct uzofomata kube copy formatting. Number 17, write and align all the text and numbers in column 2. Ngakho-ke siyabona la ukuthi ilokhuza ama-numbers they are left aligned wena kwenze kube ubani u-right aligned. So watshelwa lapho. Number 18, change the top and bottom margins in the documents to 2.5 centimeters and save. Verse sathi imvamisa ukuthola kubani 2.54 u4 kuphela nje umsusayo. Number 19, use a spell check program and make changes if necessary. Proper names are not included in this spell checking and may be ignored. Save and close spring. How spell check siyayazi siyayazi i-tab enjani esingena kuyona masoshaya i-spell check. Ngakho-ke in other words le document oyinika ukuthi uyisebenze okumakelayo angatholi kunama-mistakes e-grammar noma ama-mistakes e-spelling. Kusho ukuthi kuyaziwa lapha khona amagama afakwe ngesimabomu a-wrong. Number 20, open the file called, angithi mangaka ama-files eseyonke awu-4 manje okuwa-downloadile. Kusho ukuthi la ku-19 isiphelile yokuqala. Open the file called rows.docs on your candidate drive. The return key on the keyboard has been used to put the space between the heading rows and the paragraph. Okay, i-return key yini leyo? Siyasikhuluma ngo-enter. In many parts of the world, okay, remove the paragraph marks. Ama-paragraph marks wathola kuphi? Ngaphansi kwe-paragraph ngeke ngakusho lokho la kuvela khona ukuthi ushaye kangaki spacing and mangaka amalokhoza ama-ent owashayile. Uzothola wena kule document yakho ugcwela nje kuyinto ethile nje lapha ongama-marks akhiphe lawo ma-marks lawo. Number 22, move the picture of the rows at the bottom of the page 2 of the plans to page 1 to be below the bulleted text. Ngakho kusho ukuthi laphana kune picture ozoyithola ikhona kule file. Yenze njani laphana? Uma kuthiwa move, what does it mean move? It means to cut. So move it iye page 1 and uyatshela ukuthi ingene kuphi. Number 23, resize the rose image so that it is 3.5 centimeters in height. La utsheliwe ukuthi how to format in ama-pictures. 24, make the container gardener at the top of the document bold. Usuyenza-ke igama elithi container libe kuphi? Top of the document bese liba bold. 25, enter your candidate identification number after the text author in the header of the document. Satshelwa ngama-headers and footers. Wena ngizocela ukuthi makuthiwa identification number because awunayo ilokhuza ongase uyibhale yakwa-ICDL, wena uzobhala ubani i-identification number, it will be your name. Kuphi khona? Kwi-header. We know ukuthi kungenwa kanjani kwi-header. Number 26, apply left-aligned automatic page numbering at the bottom of pages for the whole document and save. Left-aligned automatic page numbering. Ufundisiwe ukuthi uma wenza i-document, once i-document yaba more than 1 pages, kufanele kube kuwena ukuthi uyo-inserta in ama-pages. Wasutshela ukuthi ama-position ne-alignment yakhona yama-page ukuthi kuye kuhambe kanjani. 27, leaving the plans.docs open, create a new blank document. Awuyilokhu uzile? Okay. Nansi ilokhuza uplans, ufike wawuvula, kwathi kunjalo uvulile, kwase kuthiwa create a new document. I-new document uyibani lawe Microsoft Word. Lento enhleke nginifundisa yona ukuthi uma uthola umuntu evule i-CV yakhe kwi-Microsoft Word, asikho isidingo sokuthi uye ku-start uyofuna i-Microsoft Word. You can create a new document by doing what? Watshelwe uyakuphi? Uvese usukele kwi-CV yakhe uzongena kuphi? Ngaphandle kokuyovula i-Microsoft Word kabusha. File new. Aha. In the new document, change the width. Okay. Copy the table from page 2 of the plans document to the new blank document. Une-document entsha manje, ubuyenza ithebuli kwenye, you see yikho bethe ungayivali leya file leya. Bakufundisa lokhu uyakwazi ukususa ukukhopisha into between 2 different files. Wafundisa ukuthi into ungayikopisha ku-paragraph 1 iye ekugcineni kwe-paragraph. You see, wabuye watshelwa futhi ukuthi we can do it between the documents. Into etholakala i-document ukwazi uyikopisha uyifake ngapha, ungalokhu uyithayipha kabusha. In the new document, change the width of the second column, flowering season of the table to be 4 centimeters. Yes. Save the new document to your candidate drive with the name containerplans.docs. Kusho ukuthi mina mase ngilokhuza ngimaka ngi-check ukuthi lama-files la amasha akhona yini. Akufanele ngithole ama-file names amadala ngoba suke kuno-save as. Page 31, print 1 copy of the document. Okay. So la wena uzokwenza wenze njani? Ngenxa yokuthi we cannot ukuthi siprinte everything kuzoba i-waste of ink. So wena kusho ukuthi la ugcina usuliphiwe i-marks uzothatha ngokuthi ukwenzile, kodwa make sure ukuthi uthembeke uye lapho ubuzongena khona, ungene kwi-dialog box kakuprinter yokuprint. Then ekugcineni, what is that? Open the padding plans docs from your candidate drive. Save the padding plans document to your candidate drive in plain text format as padding.txt. Siyazi u.txt sekuyini leyo? Sekuyi-Word pad. So you change from docs to WordPad. then that's the end of what in assignment yethu. So right ake ngithi